And before diving into it, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing lessons.
Let me ask you something. Do you want to speak English, but you feel like you just don't have time for it? Or maybe you think you need years of classes, tons of grammar books, or a magic spell? Well, what if I told you that 5 minutes a day is all it takes to start speaking English confidently? Yes, seriously, just 5 minutes. No textbooks, no pressure, just small daily practice. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to turn your daily 5 minutes into real speaking power. We'll play a game, laugh a little, and by the end, you'll have 4 super effective techniques to practice speaking English anywhere, anytime. If you stay till the end, I've got a special invite for you. Let's get into it. The mirror talk. So here it is the deal. Stand in front of the mirror and talk to you. I know, sounds a bit weird, right? But trust me, it works like magic. Say this. Hi, my name is Sarah. I love coffee. I work from home. And I speak English every day. Try it. And do it every morning just for 1 minute. You'll stop being afraid of your voice, your pronunciation will get better, and you'll feel more natural. And pro tip, make silly faces while you speak. It helps you relax. Mini monologues while doing chores. Washing the dishes, walking the dog, folding laundry. Use that time to talk about anything. Like, now I'm washing the plate, it's dirty, I love clean kitchens. Or, I'm walking my dog, she's happy, I'm cold, I need coffee. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to speak. Shadowing game. You know, when actors train, they copy scenes again and again. That's what we do here, but with real English. Find a short video. 30 seconds is enough. Listen, and then repeat with the same rhythm and emotion, like an echo. For example, I don't know what you are talking about. Now try to say with angry voice. I don't know what you are talking about. Next time, happy voice. I don't know what you are talking about. Then tired voice. Oh, I don't know what you are talking about. Then robot voice. I don't know what you are talking about. Just have fun. Why did the grammar book go to therapy? Because it had too many tense issues. Would rather questions. Okay, let's play one right now. I ask you answer out loud. Ready? Would you rather travel the world for free or have a personal English teacher for life? Go on. Say your answer out loud. Here it is my answer. I'd rather travel the world for free because I love discovering new cultures, trying different foods, and meeting people from around the globe. But honestly, if I had a personal English teacher for life, I could speak better during my travels, so it's a tough choice. Doing 2-3 of these questions a day gives you fluency. ideas and confidence. Google them or make your own. Quiz time. Mini practice. Okay, say these sentences out loud with their own answers. I speak English when Today I feel. I'd love to visit. My favorite word in English is. I practice English with. Okay, pause the video, we'll think a little bit and say them out loud. And for example, I can give you my answers. I speak English when I travel, watch movies, or talk to my language partner online. Today I feel excited and ready to learn something new. I'd love to visit New York City. It's been my dream since I was a kid. My favorite English word is serendipity. It sounds magical and positive. I practice English with podcasts, YouTube videos, and sometimes with the ChatGPT. Great job if you actually said them. So, let's be real. Learning English doesn't have to take hours. It just takes consistency. 5 minutes a day equal real results. Just like brushing your teeth. Small habit, big impact. And if you like these practices and want to get serious, come join my trial lesson. We'll talk, laugh, and I'll help you build your personalized speaking plan. Easy, fun, and 100% stress-free. Just follow the link in the description. And remember, you don't need perfect grammar to start speaking. You just need to start. Like this episode? Hit that like button, share it with a friend, and follow the podcast for more real English learning with real fun. Talk to you soon, and don't forget to speak out loud today. Bye. See you.